The base machine endows machinery with power, yet attachments grant it a versatile soul. From skid steer loaders, wheel loaders, to excavators and engineering vehicles, it is those professional mechanical hands that enable every base machine to break limits and unleash its strengths. HCN Attachments, a professional Chinese manufacturer of construction attachments with an extensive portfolio of over 400 product types and more than 1,000 specifications. We expand the boundary of intelligence and unlock peak efficiency for construction machinery worldwide. Our professional pedigree stems from far-sighted planning. 2008. HCN was officially founded. From the very beginning, we set our sights firmly on the specialized track of construction machinery attachments, focusing on the R&D and manufacturing of all kinds of engineering supporting equipment. Over more than a decade of persistent dedication, we have grown from an initial factory to an intelligent industrial base, from single products to a full-range supporting system. We continuously refine craftsmanship and upgrade technologies, building up strength through steadfast efforts, blazing a distinctive professional development path for HCN. Professionalism means precise adaptation and ultimate efficiency, whether for skid steer loaders, wheel loaders, excavators, or other engineering vehicles. HCN understands the unique characteristics and working requirements of each base machine, taking innovation as our edge. We integrate precise design, robust materials, and intelligent hydraulic control, developing attachments covering municipal maintenance, snow and ice removal, forestry and landscaping, livestock breeding, and more. Complete machinery sets for 9 major industries. An attachment ecosystem for all application scenarios, enabling every base machine to unlock infinite possibilities with HCN attachments. What we deliver is the key to multiplying equipment value. The depth of professionalism is ultimately defined by customers. Faced with diverse working conditions and customized requirements, backed by our extensive product library and powerful customization capacity, HCN can always deliver the optimal solution. We listen, understand, and respond promptly, turning challenges encountered by customers into directions for product innovation. For HCN firmly believes true professionalism lies in empowering customers with professionalism. We set sail in 2008, nearly 2 decades of dedicated focus. HCN sticks to one mission: to manufacture more professional, reliable, and intelligent attachments. Enable machinery to exceed expectations. Make construction more efficient. HCN Attachments. With professional attachments, empower machinery and drive the future.